We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experiences with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone. So we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.